This is Harry Vocal, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Extra unemployment benefits. Now, I'm not really sure, I'm a bit lost, correct me if I'm wrong, but it seems that those who are career unemployed, who generally, and not all, but generally sit at home drinking and doing drugs, are going to get some form of extra payments all the time. And yet all the people that are taking chances by going out in amongst this, like the tradies and the baristas and the McDonald's workers, are getting sweet FA. So how do we get to this? I mean, what a monster you've created. And then you talk to people in the real estate industry and saying, since this party started, with those people who would normally have a wine cask or some beers, wearing brand new Adidas three stripes and drinking bottles of cognac, that they're not paying their rent while this party's going on. So what sort of monster have we created? And why aren't those out there, right down to self-funded retirees, the pensioners, getting no part of this? The people putting in or have put in. And we like what Morrison's doing under stress and pressure, but who came up with the idea of giving people who least deserve it such liberty and stupid funding? This is Harry Vocal,